Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making another soup, and it is a spicy vegetable soup. We're going to be using some onion, green red peppers, carrot, potatoes, a little bit of coriander and some finger chilies just to give it that kick. Let's get started. So here we are, we've got our carrots, our green and red peppers and our onion all chopped up. Been using these amazing Ninja knives. They really make light work of the chopping. Got this brilliant Stevie Cook's chopping board my daughter got for me. My other daughter got me these knives. Let's get these in the soup maker. Then we'll start cutting up the potato, the coriander and the green finger chili. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It's free to do so and it really helps the channel out. Really would appreciate it. Let's get this in the soup maker. And we're going to be using today the Ninja soup maker. It's a brilliant piece of kit. And there we go, there's the first set of ingredients in. Let's get the potatoes, the coriander and the finger chili chopped up. So I'm using some new potatoes. I've just chopped them up into quarters. Don't want them too big, don't want them too small, because the soup maker will do a blend or two throughout the cooking cycle. And we don't want a load of mush at the end. I've left the skins on. I do like the skins left on the potatoes. Let's get those in the soup maker. And there we go, they're in the soup maker. Let's now get the coriander chopped up. And there we go, there's the coriander all chopped up. Don't want to put too much in because it can be quite an overpowering flavour. But I do actually love coriander. But if you don't, you could put anything in there. You could put some thyme in there, basil, whatever you want, rosemary, whatever you fancy. Let's get that in the soup maker. And there it is. Now it's just the finger chilies and the vegetable stock cubes. Okay, so I've only chopped up 2 very small finger chilies. This will give it quite a bit of heat, but not overpowering. Let's get those in the soup maker. So they're in there now. We're going to add the 2 vegetable stock cubes. And then what we're going to do is fill up the soup maker to the max fill hot line. And there we go. We've got the soup maker all filled up. Let's turn it on. And what we're going to be doing today is a chunky soup. And it's off. 30-minute timer. It will do a couple of blends throughout the cooking cycle, as I said. And at the end of it, we'll have a lovely, warm vegetable soup that's going to have a bit of a kick to it. If I left the machine on after the 30 minutes, it would keep the soup hot for another hour. So it's great if you are going shopping. You can come back, walk the dog maybe, and you'll have a lovely meal waiting for you. I'll see you guys at the end. And there we go guys, our soup is done. We're going to get this into a bowl and give it a taste. And there we go, it's in the bowl. Look at those beautiful vegetables, all cooked perfectly. Let's get a bit of pepper on it. I love a bit of black pepper. And that's going to taste amazing. Perfect with some lovely fresh bread with some butter on. Really is perfect hearty meal. Let's give it a taste. That's amazing. So flavoursome, and it's got a little kick to it, a little sting in your mouth from the 2 green finger chilies we put in, but really is an amazing soup. Give it a try guys, it's really easy to do. I really do recommend the Ninja soup maker. If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave any comments down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and I'll see you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching, bye for now.